G'day Shane, how's it going?
Oh, Michael, how did you sneak in?
Yeah, just thought I'd drop in and say hello. What have you got here?
Cool. Well, this is, I don't know if we've got a theme name for it.
It's bright.
It's bright. It's the latest creation out of Moteck machining and cylinder mowers.
She's a beauty.
So this is probably the most resto that I've ever done, if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
So this belongs to a young fella who just wanted everything. He chose the colour.
So you're not keeping this one for yourself?
I'd love to. He chose a colour which is fluoro red.
It is fluoro red.
Yep. And of course we've got the 3.5 horsepower Honda, and the tank and the side cover and the pull start of colour coordinated to the machine.
As you do.
And it's sporting my brand new stainless bars.
They are very nice.
Right down to the new pins.
Yeah.
Very similar to the Rover with the push nuts.
Yeah. Very smart.
It's very nice. Other features are stainless PTO.
Yeah.
Billet clutch.
Brass thrust pad on there.
Brass thrust pad.
New knobs. New deflector knobs.
Yep, the new deflector thumb knobs. Obviously my new cradle, new front roller, 10 blade cutting cylinder, and that's done in black onyx. Got a little metal flake through it. Looks quite nice.
Very nice. Very nice. This is going to make someone very happy. Have they seen it yet?
Seen a few early photos, Michael, but haven't actually seen the finished product.
Yeah.
Hopefully he'll pick it up on the weekend.
Yep.
And get it out of my way. I've got the rubber rear roller, vulcanised rear roller, but pretty much has everything, this machine. I think the only old parts or original parts is the sole plate and the drive clutch.
Yep.
Everything else is brand new, right down to the throttle control, which is hooked up to the Honda and works, of course.
I tell you what, standing behind it feels pretty good.
Yeah, he'll take it home and he'll mow with it.
Yeah.
I'll guarantee you.
That's good.
And with the catcher, something that I do on occasion just to break the bulk of the colour, is I had this powder coated
That's nice.
satin black inside.
Yeah, that's a nice touch, I reckon.
Yeah, just to be, so it's not so bold.
Yeah.
But when I first got the frame, he chose the colour. When I took it to the powder coaters, I said, "What's the colour?" And he said, "Oh, you wait and see." When I went and picked it all up, I went, "Oh my god."
So this wasn't your choice in colour?
Sorry?
This colour wasn't your choice?
Not my choice at all.
No.
I don't think I'd have gone for it. I love it. Everybody who comes in here,
Yeah.
everybody, even the fella this morning,
Yeah.
you know, him and his wife, and they went, "Oh my god, look at that."
Well, I have to admit, I've seen the catcher previously and other bits and pieces, and I thought, oh, that's
Too bright.
That's too much, but
Yeah.
it works.
It does, and now it's subdued by the stainless and the colour and what have you. It's
Yeah.
there's not one person that's come in here. I get a lot of foot traffic in here.
Yeah.
Not one person has said, "Oh shit, I don't like that."
Yeah. It's the black and orange.
Yeah, just the
It's
aluminium and
good.
the chrome and what have you. The stainless handlebars, I contemplated doing them in black.
Yeah.
Still stainless, but powder coating them black.
Yeah.
But I opted.
It looks nice. Alrighty, so this one's on its way out the door this weekend, is that right, Shane?
Yes, Michael. Hopefully picked up on Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
It'll be gone. I've had it for quite some time. Been a fairly lengthy process. But this is really nice. Very, very nice machine. I'm sure the owner's going to be extremely happy with it. And I'll guarantee you, he'll be mowing his lawn within days.
Yeah. This is, good things come to those who wait, is what they say, isn't it? So.
Yeah, yep. And I've already
Patience.
got another one to start straight away.
Oh, do you? Yeah. So what's so this one's ready to go? Anything left to do on it, or is it done?
Yeah,
done?
no, just got to run the engine up.
Yeah.
Run the clutch up, drive up, just make sure everything's okay.
Yeah.
A few little minor tweaks and adjustments, and then it's done.
Very nice, Shane.
Good to go.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm quite proud of this one. Very nice.
Hopefully we'll see some photos up on the one of the pages somewhere from its
Yes.
new owner?
Yeah, no, there'll be photos up on my Facebook page.
Yeah, cool. Alrighty. Well, that's Shane from Moteck Machining and Cylinder Mowers. I'm Larn. Michael, feel free to hit like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, drop us a comment, and check out Shane's website, moteck.com.au, if you're interested in your own resto from Shane. You doing more of these?
Yeah, it's time for
Just as they come up, or?
Yeah, it's one of those things I can't devote all my time.
Yeah.
I'm not a restorer only.
Yeah.
So I do them if people haven't got I want it next month.
Yeah.
But to do a top end like this is quite a job.
Yeah, it looks it. It's beautiful though. Well done, Shane.
Thank you.
See you for the next one.
Thanks, Mike.